This is a trip round Primark, the Spanish Primark. So it's pretty much the same as England, very cheap prices. And this is where a lot of people shop in Spain. Because of the prices, of course, like they do in England. But there's plenty of people in here. This is a Tuesday in November. €7 for tights by the looks of it. We've got socks, $2.50 for two pairs of socks, $2.50. Pretty good. Big shop, 3 floors. So in front of us we've got the Spanish Consulate, which is a pretty nice building actually. It goes right up with 3 sort of turret type things. And it's quite large. And behind me we have the Bolivia Consulate, which is rather small compared. But there you go, small countries. This is where all the councillors sit here. The local councillor in Valencia. Fantastic building. All these buildings along here are incredible. You look right along. Beautiful buildings. It's just one big precinct, one big walkway, which is nice. So it's quite safe to come and visit. Some big hotels here. Hotel Valencia in front of me. Very large ones. 6 or 7 stories high. Beautiful day today. Look at that sky. Absolutely beautiful. But it's only about 13 or 14 degrees today, so it's not what I would call warm. Got a big coat on, so that says something. But for a Tuesday, I would say it's fairly busy. Of course, as it is in Spain, you have these pavement bars and restaurants, which is all along here. And there's plenty of people in them at the moment. It's sort of lunchtime time, so you're bound to get a lot of people out eating from the offices and the shops, etc. Plus people visiting like me. I said in my last video, I think Valencia is one of the really nicest places on this coastline, and I really do believe that. I think it's much nicer than Alicante. Alicante is a smaller place altogether, but good beaches in Alicante, of course. And you've got the Cathedral, the castle, Santa Barbara, which is lovely. So there's good and bad everywhere. That's what I would say. But I do like Valencia, I must admit. If you want to rent a bicycle, this is what it is. An electric bike is €8 for 1 hour. An ordinary bike is only €2, so I think that's a better bet. But if you want to be lazy on an electric bike, then that's the way to go. But this place is here. So this is sort of going around the back streets of the main town, main city here. And there's lots of these little streets, and they should be looked at. You should never ignore them, because this is where you'll find better deals. So this is definitely a must when you come to Valencia. Have a good look round. Of course, a lot of it is for tourists, but then you expect that, don't you? But that doesn't matter. You can pick and choose what you want. But it's just nice to get off that main road, I think, and have a look round to these sort of different shops that you see here. So this building in front of me is the narrowest building in Valencia, and it goes all the way up there as far as I can get the camera back, and you can see how small it is. It's not very wide at all. It's only got to be 6 foot plus, a couple of meters maybe. The smell of food at this time of day is lovely, and there's a few nice restaurants around this little alleyway that I found. As I say, just search, you know, don't just go for the first one you find. This one here has got some outside heating going on, obviously, in this weather, because it's pretty chilly. And Mangla. A lot of building work going on here at the moment. Everywhere you turn, they've got roads dug up, pavements dug up. You got another one here, Gastronomica La Mama, which looks beautiful inside. Give you a shot inside so you can see. But it's they've got their Christmas tree up. Rather nice. This is just by the cathedral here, the little streets all around it. As I said earlier, there's lots of building work going on, and in front of the cathedral it's totally dug up. So this is around the side of it, which we're now walking around, and lots of olive trees all planted all around, and got a big square coming up. Lots of people playing music as usual on the streets, busking. We've come to this little square, and there's a few bars and restaurants here, and with quite a few people sat in the sun. I think if you're out of the draft, it's okay, but it is quite chilly. Well, it is for me anyway, after being here for 12 years. But it is all very nice. This is all part of the cathedral here, so even that's got work going on at the moment. You look up the top there, so wherever you go, they are digging up or knocking down or doing something. But this is a really big square, this one. This is the local courthouse, the Valencia Courthouse, with lots and lots of flags. And 2 policemen on the door. Everywhere you go, you find these little buildings with sort of mini castles they are, with flags on the top. People walking around up there, getting some good shots of the area. Some beautiful colours here. You've got a park opposite with lots of trees, so that gives lots of contrast, and also lots of traffic. Busy place. Considering, you know, you're in a big city, there's lots of grass areas and parks right in the centre here, which are quite nice to go to.
To jest kościół do cholery, patrz. Tak. Już nawet jest